Good morning. Had to come back and make a correction. I could have edited the video and taken the easy way out, but I'm willing to admit my mistakes. So on the RA86, you cannot transmit on the FRS channels because of the FCC rules. The antenna can't be removable, a few other things, but that's the bottom line. Because this is, even if they got this down to half a watt, and a few people corrected me, and they are 100% right. So once again, needed to come, let you know, I'm human, I make mistakes. That's why that'll never happen on any true GMRS radio. So thanks for making sure I'm on point and not spewing bullshit information and thoughts, and don't cancel culture me. I'm sorry. All right, appreciate y'all. Hope you have a great day. Hope you keep watching the videos, and as always, thanks for everybody providing their feedback in the comments and on Facebook, and we'll see you soon.